Welcome to our guide on human resources compliance. Today, we are going to break down the complex world of labor laws into simple, manageable concepts. Whether you are a small business owner, a new HR professional, or just interested in understanding your rights, this video will provide you with the foundational knowledge you need to navigate the legal landscape of the workplace. So, what exactly is HR compliance? Simply put, it is the process of defining policies and procedures to ensure your employment practices align with federal, state, and local laws. It is not just about avoiding expensive fines or lawsuits, although that is important. It is fundamentally about creating a fair, safe, and equitable environment for everyone. Remember, you have to juggle regulations at 3 levels. Federal laws apply to everyone, but state and local laws can often be stricter. To make this easier to understand, we can group most HR compliance issues into 3 main pillars. First, you have wages and hours, which deals with money and time. Second is fairness, which covers anti-discrimination and equal opportunity. And third is safety and leave, ensuring workers are physically safe and can take time off when needed. We will explore the specific acts governing these pillars next. Let's start with the Fair Labor Standards Act, or FLSA. This is the big federal law that establishes the minimum wage and overtime pay. A key rule to remember is overtime. Non-exempt employees must be paid 1.5 times their regular rate for any hours worked over 40 in a single workweek. The FLSA also sets standards for child labor. Always check your local laws, because if your state's minimum wage is higher than the federal one, you must pay the higher rate. Next, we have the laws enforced by the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission. It is illegal to discriminate against job applicants or employees based on specific characteristics known as protected classes. These include race, color, religion, sex, national origin, disability, and age if the person is 40 or older. These protections come from landmark legislation like the Civil Rights Act of 1964 and the Americans with Disabilities Act. This applies to every aspect of employment, from hiring to firing. Workplace safety is governed by the Occupational Safety and Health Act, or OSHA. The core of this law is the General Duty Clause, which requires employers to provide a workplace free from recognized hazards that could cause serious harm. This means you need to provide safety training, ensure equipment is well maintained, display safety posters, and keep detailed records of any workplace injuries or illnesses. Safety isn't optional, it's a requirement. Life happens, and the Family and Medical Leave Act, or FMLA, is there to protect employees' jobs when it does. Eligible employees can take up to 12 weeks of unpaid, job-protected leave per year for specific reasons. These include the birth or adoption of a child, caring for a seriously ill family member, or dealing with their own serious health condition. Note that this generally applies to larger companies with 50 or more employees. One of the most common mistakes in HR is misclassifying workers. You must distinguish between a W-2 employee and a 1099 independent contractor. Employees generally work set hours using company equipment and are under your control. Contractors set their own schedules, use their own tools, and work on a project basis. Getting this wrong can lead to massive tax penalties and back pay issues, so focus on who has control over the work being done. If it isn't written down, it didn't happen. Good record keeping is your best defense. You should maintain a personnel file for every employee containing their resume, offer letter, and performance reviews. However, you must keep a separate, confidential file for sensitive information like medical records and background checks. I-9 forms, which verify eligibility to work, should also be kept separate to prevent potential discrimination claims during audits. To wrap up, compliance is an ongoing process. Make sure you have your labor law posters displayed, classify your team correctly, track work hours accurately, and keep your employee handbooks up to date. Regular training for your managers on these topics is also crucial. By staying organized and informed, you build a workplace that is not only legal but also a great place to work. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.